Hi guys, I have been using Coco and Eve, the self-tanning foam, for a little while now and wanted to just come and share my thoughts with you. My before and after is pretty dramatic. Now that was the very first day, and that is with the tint that is already on the foam to help you apply it a little better. So that is a bit dramatic. Once you shower, it does tone down a little bit. This is the Sunny Honey, which is their lightest tint. I absolutely love that for the winter time. This is about 4 days in now. So 4 showers in, and I still just have a nice base color. I don't have that glow in the dark. You haven't seen the light of day, wintertime skin color right now. I just have a normal light base color, and I absolutely love that. Now, Coco and Eve has 2 darker tints. So if you want a little bit more, pick one of those, and I think it would be fantastic for you. This is about 4 days in. It will give me a good 7, even 10 days worth of color. Now at 7 days, I'm ready for a little touch up, get a little darker, but it can last me up to 10 days. It has a fruity scent as you're applying it, and then it kind of fades out to almost nothing. And then later in the day, you definitely get the self-tan scent kicking back in, especially I typically play sports in the evening. As I get to sweating, I definitely get that smell only on the first day. As soon as I get a shower, I have no more problem with that. Now, this is a tinted applicator. So again, you do have some bleeding of that color that first day onto any clothes you're wearing. So just choose wisely what you would be wearing that very first day before you take your shower. I think you can shower in as little as 2 hours and have it apply. The longer you wait, the better it sets, the longer you're gonna last. I typically let this go at least 6 to 7 hours before I'm ready to take my shower. So that's how I do it. And again, it's lasting me a good 7 to 10 days. I absolutely love the tinted part of this applicator. It really does help me find where all I'm applying it and haven't applied it. I have no streaking whatsoever. It's been good for around my ankles, knees, the elbows, even the wrist. I don't think my wrist or hands look very bad at all. It does come with this applicator mitt, and it is a very good mitt. It is nice and sturdy, thick. It does get a little dirty looking, and it honestly is already kind of faded out to just this color here. As you're applying it and it's wet, it looks a pretty dirty look. But I think this is a great mitt. This is one of my favorites that I've had so far. Let me see, what else can I tell you about this? I use this bareback tool, this lotion roller to get my back, and this did a great job. And again, the tinted part of the applicator really helped, because then I was able to use the roller and roll it, and I could see where all I had gone with the roller, so that I was able to apply it on my back very evenly without any help from anyone. The Hubs is normally pretty good at helping me, but this makes it nice and easy, and I don't have to bother him, and no one gets their hands dirty. So the mitt did the great job for everything else. I would absolutely recommend this. I have been very, very happy with this product. Hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.